We already own the property, so there's no cost for us there, and the garage is currently around 350 square feet. The plan is to keep the garage foundation and build a second story, 1 bedroom, 1 bath above it.
All right. I mean, it's a little smaller than I remember.
So my thought is pretty much layout-wise, just go up. So keep the garage door there, have an entry door to the left.
Okay.
So the staircase goes up in there, and then
Pop it up.
pop it up.
But I can already see problems with your foundation, so. All right, let's go, Ginger. Oh, this looks a little worse than the last time I was in it.
It's not.
It's not?
I think this is just what it's always looked like.
I don't know. I don't remember it being so brown. You know what I would like to do, though? I would like to see what kind of view we're gonna get. You know, oddly, it feels way more spacious without walls.
Yeah, Ginger's on a roof is a great idea.
It's hot.
So if the staircase can come up here, it'd probably end a little bit more than halfway with the rise we need to get. So you walk into an open kitchen area,
Okay.
and then back in this space, we could tuck a bathroom and a bedroom.
And we could trick out the bathroom. We'd have enough space. Yeah, you need to get off the roof. The heat's affecting you.
This half that's public space, we could keep super high vaulted ceilings, and in the private space, we could do regular bedroom height ceilings with like a loft area on top of.
All right, I like it up here.
It's hot, you're wild.
I don't know, it doesn't
I'm
feel
in a
that
limbo
hot.
under this
It's
cable
kinda
wire.
nice. Yeah, be careful.
We already own the house, so there's no cost for us there, but the big question is the foundation, which could run about $20,000 if it has to be replaced. And the build price, I think without, we're probably looking at $100,000. So 120 if we have to do the whole new foundation.
So small houses don't cost less, is that what you're saying?
Yep.
And it's just gonna be a rental?
Well, it's for Tad. Yeah. Don't worry, I'll charge him a lot. Next step is we just need to get a decision on the foundation, if it can be salvaged or not. So we'll get someone out and make that decision.
Hey, how are you?
What's going on? You guys look bright and chipper.
Always.
Well, let's check something out here. We gotta check the stability of the foundation.
Are you just gonna, Right now, we have a 1-car garage, and I want to have a garage with a small carriage house above it. But we're not sure we have a solid foundation, so we have to figure that out before we do anything. I mean, the framing's moving. I can't tell if the block is. Oh, womp womp. You didn't even hit it that hard, Rod.
Well, notice it doesn't go all the way down.
That's not even a foundation, it's a slab. They poured a slab and put the block on a slab. So there is no way you're
no
building
foundation.
anything on that.
All right. Unfortunately, replacing the foundation probably just bumped our cost up about $20,000. So right off the bat, we have to knock down the garage and demolish this concrete slab. Then pour an actual foundation and build an all-new garage with Tad's grown-up space above it. I think it'll be a perfect place for Tad to start adulting.
I'm gonna get out of your way.
Today. You need to knock it out. It should not take long.
What's happening?
He's just getting some parkour work in.
Are we pushing it?
Yeah, we'll get some rocking. Everybody clear on the other side?
Is everybody out?
Here we go. 1.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3!
The only thing left is pulling up the concrete pad, which I think a jackhammer and 20 minutes.
Yeah.
We're done.
Yeah, now I'm getting the feel for it. Woo!
95% of the job got done.
Yeah,
Maybe 90.
yeah.
Over at Tad's tiny home, the exterior perimeter has been measured off, and Tad and Corey can finally get started on digging a new foundation for the new structure. With the clay pipe situation resolved, the team's been able to move forward with building a new foundation and have started framing out our new garage in Tad's tiny home. We've made a ton of progress at Tad's little bachelor pad. On the exterior, the siding is going up. Inside, we've got drywall in. Since we want to keep the final look of the bachelor pad a surprise for Tad, we've banned him from the property until everything is finished. And now it's time to focus on the interior style.
After you.
Thank you.
MJ has asked Corey and Austin to help him pick out some pieces for Tad's little bachelor pad.
So the goal for today is to find something that is durable, has a lot of storage, and will fit in the space. All right, there's something in this room that's perfect.
That trunk?
This trunk is perfect. So he can use it as a coffee table. He can fill it with all of his treasures. And we found the perfect trunk coffee table. It's made of mango wood, so it's not super heavy. So when Tad has guests over, he can move it around. And it opens up and has tons of storage.
You could put a 50-gallon trash bag in here to make it waterproof of sorts, and then put your beer in there.
Is that how you
That's between Tad
envision
and the
this?
trunk.
Okay, all right.
That's between Tad and the trunk.
You guys want to grab that?
Yeah.
It's gonna be pretty fun when he invites us over and we're hanging out in the space and we can say we had a little bit of an influence on the finished product. It'll be pretty cool.
Looks fantastic. All right, let's go down and see what we've done.
So good.
How amazing are these boys?
They're the most amazing.
I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.
You guys are very talented.
All right.
Let's go.
Let's do it. Take care.
Watch the light fixture.
Cute. Operation Tad off the floor.
We're in the home stretch. We got Tad a new sleek bed frame with built-in storage to save space so he can sleep just like a real adult. And Carlos's wooden ladder he made for the loft fits in perfectly with our natural style. Put your fancy pants on for today.
I did, and my fancy shirt.
Yeah, you look
Floral.
very domesticated.
Yeah, I know. I was thinking about coming in jorts, but I didn't know if it'd be appropriate.
I mean, jorts are your style.
They are.
Looks a little bit better than the old garage, right?
It does. It does. It just looks huge.
Now we have this really
it's so
nice,
big.
like, masculine green
Right.
with the warm wood
Green's
tone.
my favorite color too. No, I love
Fancies
it.
it up a little
I love
bit.
it. I love the windows in it. It's gorgeous on the outside.
Do you want to go in? How badly do you want to go in?
I want to go in.
Let's go in.
Let's go. Whoa.
Look at the super high ceilings. You
Yeah.
come around the corner and bam!
This is gorgeous. Whoa! That is awesome. That makes me look smart. People are gonna walk in, they're gonna be like, oh, look at your bookshelves. There's gonna be a lot of books
you
on there.
look smart. You jumped the gun. Kitchen! You totally skipped the kitchen. You got plenty of counter space, nice, really cool black sink, black finishes.
Yeah, very manly,
and then
very
like
masculine, I dig it.
really nice backsplash. It's a small space, but plenty of storage with the cabinets.
Right.
So you digging all this?
I'm digging it, yeah.
Even though this is only a 1-bedroom,
Yeah.
we gave you 2 bathrooms. So if you have guests that you're either chucking up in the loft area or on the couch,
We're gonna party a little bit, so there might be a
they
few
can use
people
this
here.
bathroom if you want to take a peek in.
Yeah, no, that's good. Let's check it out. Beautiful. Yes, tile to the ceiling. I love it. This vanity's gorgeous too. It's perfect.
Okay, so your living room space.
Boom, I like it. I'm digging the wooden chest. I feel like we have a lot of raw materials in here that suggest like manliness, and I really like it.
The ladder, you can slide it out.
There we go. That's so awesome.
Upstairs.
Oh yeah. This is awesome. I love these shelves so much. I think it's my favorite part. of
The guys
this
did a
place.
really, really good job.
Yeah.
And this is your master.
Sweet. This is great.
We baby stepped you up because I know you're afraid of the bed actually being high. So we just
Yeah.
took you off the floor to
I like
a
a
low
low
platform.
bed because it keeps me grounded. I love the height that we got onto the second floor. Usually when we build carriage houses, we don't have this kind of height.
you know? So like when you're coming up the stairs and you can see how big it is, it's beautiful. Might not be tons of square footage, but there's tons of space.
So, spent a little bit more than anticipated because the foundation was just complete crud.
I'm broke, okay? I'm broke. The rent is what you said it is. It can't go up any higher. We're stuck there.
We already own this property, so there was no cost there. And all in, we spent about $120,000 in renovations. The value is about $120,000, but I made the space for Tad, so he can rent it as long as he wants. It's always fun getting to do a project for someone a little bit closer to home, like a good friend or a family member. It just means a little bit more.